Hey, what's going on, guys? Dropship Tyler here, and today I am going to be showing you how you can make money on Walmart price drops. If you're not a subscriber to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you know whenever I release a new video. So we're on the product page right now, and if you look down in the order summary, you can see that we paid $19.99 for it plus $5.99 shipping. This product is actually $17.98 now, so we're going to ask for a $2 credit back from Walmart customer support. So these ones in red are all the ones that I lost money on. As you can see, I lost $3.02 on all of these transactions. And that's because the price went up on the item, but there's actually a rollback on Walmart right now. You can see that the item is now $17.98. So the price of the item has dropped $2. What's cool about Walmart is that they're going to match this price for me. Not all of the time, but most of the time you can just keep asking reps and eventually they will match the price. So I've got a potential of about $10 here in savings that I can do. For me, if I can do that quickly, you know, it's worth it. If I can hire a VA to do it and it only takes them an hour to do it, if you train your VA to do this type of thing, then, you know, that's definitely worth it. You're making money and you're paying them less than what you're making. There are programs out there that automate this for you, and I will get to that at the end of this video. But I want to show you guys how I do it manually by going to the Walmart chat and actually asking them to get the money back manually. So there's a couple ways of contacting Walmart. For this one, I'm just going to go to need help from the actual order page of the product. And you're going to go down and just contact us, walmart.com. I'm going to choose shopping, walmart.com. And let's see what here. So there's different pricing and promotions, product. Not sure what the savings catcher is, but I'm going to go to pricing and promotions. So the best way to do this is just begin a chat. And as you can see here, this popped up. I'm going to go ahead and type a message to them. So as you can see, I said, hi, I ordered a product from walmart.com and the price dropped $2. I ordered the item 3 times. Please help with a refund. Now they're asking me for my email address. So now I gave them my email address and I'm just waiting for a customer care agent to come on, and from there I'll give them the order numbers and we'll see what happens. So she just said, I can see here that you'd like a price adjustment, correct? And I'm going to say yes, and then I'm going to give her the order numbers. So now I gave her all of the order numbers, and I'm sure she's going to try to come back and say she can only do one, but we're going to try to get all of them done at once here. So she just asked for my billing address. That's standard. That's how they verify the account. So that was easier than expected. She said, I can see the items here. I've checked the price and can definitely help you with the adjustment right away. So yeah, very easy. But yeah, I'm excited that I didn't have to convince her too hard there. She just went with it. And the reason I say that is because sometimes they don't actually honor bulk resellers' request, or if it's multiple purchases of the same item, they'll only actually, you know, adjust one of them. So as you can see, it says she has successfully processed all the adjustments. Anything I can help with today? So now we can go back and look at the orders page, and we can see here that now there is a minus $2 on all of these orders. So what I'm going to do now is go back into my spreadsheet and adjust my profits for those items. So you can see here that it was originally $25.98 at Walmart, and like I said, we go back and look at it. You can now see that the total is $23.98. So we can adjust that and the profits will update in our Excel sheet. All right, so yeah, we still lost money on these transactions because the price, I believe, at the time was more like $14.98 or $15.98 when I originally listed it, maybe a little bit less than that. So, but it's better than nothing here. Now we have 2 more that we can go do. These were bought on a separate Walmart account, so I'm going to go in and do those as well for now. I believe there was one more that was a multi-quantity order that I still made money on, but I'm going to go in and get the adjustment. So yeah, there's 5 here, but I think there's 6 total, and the other one was a 2 quantity, so I should be able to get $4 back for that one. So yeah, you guys will get an update on this in the $0 investment eBay series that I'm doing. The link will be in the description. But for now, my profits have gone up another $6 on the front end because of this adjustment. Alright, so now I told you I would show you a program that automatically kind of does this for you. It's not as effective because it's sending an email out rather than going directly to the chat, but this is called Paribus. So the way Paribus works is it's going to automatically send an email every time a price drop happens. As you can see here, I actually have an item that the claim was filed for $18.50. What's going to actually happen here is that literally Walmart's going to refund me $18.50, and if they don't, what we're going to do is I'm going to get my VAs to go in and ask them to do it manually, but at least you can see the notifications for all of the different price drops that have actually happened. So this is an email notification from Paribus saying that they're working on getting that refund for us, the one I just showed you. And now we'll go in and we'll go to our sent messages and we'll see what they actually sent from our Gmail to Walmart to get this claim. So here's what the email actually looks like to Walmart. And you can see it's got the order number, it's got the price when purchased, the price at time of reduction requests, and the difference that we want to be refunded. And yeah, it just has everything in there, and you can look out for an email from Walmart, and if they don't end up sending you one in a timely manner, you can go to walmart.com just like we just did, and you can manually request them through the chat. I hope you found this video useful. I mean, there's so many different ways to make money or save money while dropshipping or just shopping online in general, and that is one of the best ones right there, is getting a price match after you purchase an item and the cost of the item goes down. I hope that you'll check out my ebook that I have about eBay dropshipping. It's called eBay Dropshipping Explained. It's on ecomscholars.com. If you like my videos and you want to learn more about the way I dropship on eBay, specifically using the SaleFreak software, I highly recommend that you get the automated dropshipping blueprint. It's going to have everything in there in an organized fashion, teaching you step A to Z on how to actually use SaleFreaks the proper way. Thanks guys for watching this video, and I hope you will check out my video tomorrow and all of my videos in the future. Thanks guys.